Solve for x in the domain of 0 to 2 pi. Question 6. So we have 2 sine x over 3 plus 1 equals to 0. We can always solve it like this. 2 sine x over 3 equals to minus 1, and then sine x over 3 equals to minus 1 over 2. So half. Now you can use a triangle, special triangle, and then figure out when is sine half. So we have this side as 1, this side as 2, and this is square root of 3 in a triangle. We want sine to be half. That means we are looking at this angle, which is pi by 6, right? That's the right angle triangle. So that gives you sine of pi by 6 gives you angle of half. Now the second part is that is a related acute angle. Second part to this is to figure out in which quadrant it is, correct? So sine is negative using the cost rule. We know sine is negative in these two quadrants, and therefore we may expect an answer to be pi by 6 in this side or pi by 6 in this side, right? So these will definitely give us sine theta of these angles will give us minus half. So that is how we look into the solution. But the thing to concentrate in these videos is, and I find many times student will go ahead with this and give a solution, but they will be wrong if they do so. Why? That is what I want to explain in these set of videos when I am trying to solve these equations with restricted domain. See, let me draw your attention to this part. Solve for x in the domain of 0 to 2 pi. What does that mean? It means that x is greater than equal to 0 and less than equals to 2 pi, right? Now, x by 3 is our angle, not x. So x by 3 will divide all the sides by 3, and we get 0 divided by 3 is 0, less than equals to 2 pi by 3. That means this angle which we are looking into should be between 0 and 2 pi by 3. Now where is 2 pi by 3? So 0 is there, so that means from here to 2 pi by 3. So that means this pi is divided into 3 equal parts. So 1 pi by 3, and that is 2 pi by 3. So our domain is actually from here to here. That is the region where we are looking for answer. But what do we find? We find that our solution lies in quadrant 3 and 4, not in this part. And therefore, we say that in the given domain, there is no solution. So therefore, no solution in the given domain. Do you understand? So that's kind of critical for us to understand this part, right? Now let us also see from the angle of students who will give this as their answer and see how mistake they make. So the solution will be, if I consider these two as let me take this one which is very close, pi by 6. This means that the solution, probable solution, could be 7 pi by 6, correct? This is 6 pi by 6. Now that means I will write x over 3 equals to 7 pi by 6. Now if x over 3 is 7 pi by 6, then x is equals to 3 times 7 pi by 6, correct? Which is 7 pi by 2, correct? 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2 is way beyond this, right? 7 pi by 2 means what? 1 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2, 5, 6, and 7. Do you see that? So that will be 7 pi by 2 for us. Do you see that? But that is not in this given domain for x 0 to 2 pi. See, for x, the domain is from 0 to 2 pi. If you write that solution, then the value of x calculated will be way beyond 2 pi. Do you see that? Way beyond 2 pi, correct? So that is why it's important to understand the domain and how it changes with the argument, right? So for this particular question, you can see that we have no solution in the domain of 0 to 2 pi. Okay, thank you.